Good morning all of you. Greeting to all faculty members of ABS IT. I am here to present my project which is sleep detection and alert system for automobile drivers. I have done this project with two other members of my group. I will mention their names. One is Atul Yadav and other one is Ankur Pandey. We have done this project under the guidance of Mr. Rajkumar sir. Our project ID is 2016 CSE PID 51. So let's start. So there is a table of content, problem, solution, approach and execution of the approach. Here we see how we are finding the solution and what is the approach we are using to find the solution. Here is problem statement that sleeping on wheels may lead to thousands of deaths and injury each year because sleeping on wheels means sleeping while driving is very dangerous, not only for the driver but for many other which is riding through that road at the time. As the study is there, in 2005 National Sleep Foundation poll, 37% of people said that they had fallen asleep at the wheel and 13% said they did so once a month. Nearly a quarter of the adults say that know somebody personally who has crashed due to falling asleep while driving. For this problem, we developed a solution which is a computer application. We look at that. We developed an application that detects the driver face. After detecting the face, it starts monitoring the face of the driver and his eyes and mouth. By this, the camera is keep monitoring on the driver and checking that driver is not fall asleep during the driving. If driver gets asleep, then the alarm gets on and through this sound driver will awake from the sleep. This application uses eye aspect ratio to find and analyze the image for the application. There is a flow chart for our solution. Let us look at that. Initialize. First, the camera is capture the image, then detect the face. If the face is successfully detected, then it uses an apply algorithm for face analysis and eye detection. If not, then it starts again capturing and then again face detection. If the face is successfully captured, the face analysis is done. If face is clear and there is no distortion there, then activate alarm. If the eyes are down and detect the eyes and eyes are successfully detected, then eye state are checked. In this eye state checking, if drowsiness is there, then activate alarm, otherwise not. Now we understand our solution for this problem graphically, how it is worked in phase of graph. When the eyes are open, the graphically line goes straight, and when I blink my eyes, the down of the graph it shows the blink and the upper of the graph shows the open eye. And how it is work like that. Let's have a look on the code. These are the imported libraries for the code. This is the definition of the method which activates alarm. This is the initialization of the frames and counters at 3 different stages of the eyes. This is the aspect ratio calculation. Let's see the execution of the code. Now see our execution of the code. Now I am writing the command for running the project. Loading facial landmark predictor, camera sensor. When I blink my eyes, the blink count get increased and my glow goes down and alarm goes up. Again I am closing my eyes, the alarm goes up, detected, alarm wake up, detected. I am on. And that is my final year project presentation. Thank you so much.